Good evening. This is Dolly the maid. I'm going to show you in 3 easy steps how to clean your tile floor at your very new home. Okay, first you need 3 things. You need a dust mop, which you dust your floor. Very easy to do. You see? Dust mop. Second thing you need is called a Swiffer. This is a Swiffer. Okay, the Swiffer has a little container in box that has all of these little wet pads that you put on the bottom of your Swiffer. If I can get my Swiffer off. Wait a minute. Okay, see, it comes with a pad, a handle, everything. You buy it at the store. You go to Walmart or you go to Costco and you buy this stuff. Second thing you do is you put this on the floor, just like this. And then you put the pad on top of the Swiffer and you clean your floor. Okay, you clean it nice. It dries by itself. You don't need the dust. You don't need another mop. And you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You see? Is it dirty? Whoops. See, we have clean floor at this house. You gotta make sure you do this, because it does work. Once it's dry, okay, you got it 2 items already. Once it's dry, then this is what is called a sharp. This is very good, very good. Here is where you open and you pour your distilled water in this little hole. You have 2 different types of pads. One is for, wait a minute, just wait a minute, I'll be right back. You have different types of pads for different types of jobs. You got the soft one, then you got this fiber one that is good for tile floors, as well as this one's good for tile floors. Read the instructions. Please read the instructions. The first one I have on here is we're going to steam clean this floor. So you take, this is the plug, see, plug, and you plug it in to the outlet. The thing will start to blink, 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 blink. See it blinking? Oh, I forgot to tell you. Comes off easy, see? And it goes down easy. You put it on, see? Okay? Now, see the light blinking, blinking, blinking. You press the button and you hear this little click, 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 click noise. That means the water in the back here is bubbling. And this here is a spray cleaner to help take up nasty stains if you have them from your dog's poo-poo. And now can you hear the steam? Listen. See the steam? See? It's steaming. Then all you do is go 1, 2, 3, 4. And yeah, you better put a headset on because it's nice to listen to some music when you do this. Then you just spray a little bit of the spray. See, this has a little spray. See? Hear that? It's sprayed. Then you go back and forth, and the steam just cleans the floor very, very nice. Or you can pay me to do your floor.
Do you come cheap?
I come very cheap. Just let me play pickleball while it records. When you finish, you press this little button. See, it beeps, it beeps, it beeps. And then you just unplug the machine. You wrap it all up. And then you take this pad off. See the pad on the bottom? You step it as a little tongue. You step and watch. Voila! Voila! You thought that floor was clean, huh? When I did the Swiffer. Look at the dirt. That's just that little piece. That's all the dirt. And what's nice about these, you can put them in the washing machine and you just wash them, but no soap. Don't put no soap in with it. Just plain water in your washing machine. Okay? Okay, this commercial is finished. Now this is your Swiffer, pick her up, your Swiffer, your dust mop, your Swiffer, your sharp cleanup, and you can clean your floors forever. And it's such a fun job.